Welcome back to Lit Mode. A very good news for all of you. Much awaited SBI PO pre-result is finally out. But you don't need to be very happy as of now. Why I'm saying so? Because SBI PO is a three-phase exam. So you are gearing up for phase 2, which is the men's exam, and there you have to score at least 120 125 marks to be safe if you didn't perform well in the GDPI section. So let's start the video, and this video will be bilingual. So after the half portion you will also find the same content in Hindi language also. So in this video I will in short tell you how to use this 8-9 days effectively, because see, around 10 days are left, and many of you would be anxious like how to score more in this much days, because everybody was waiting for the final result, and now this is the first exam. Why? Because SBI PO men's is on 29th January, RRB PO men's is on 30th January, and many students are also going to miss the RRB PO or SBI PO. One exam they will miss. Why? Because many students have got RRB center from any other state and SBI PO from home state. So that's why if you are appearing for RRB PO in Rajasthan and SBI PO in Uttarakhand, then you may miss something like that. But for those who are appearing for these exams, you can see the opportunities. Very means I can say 7-8 exams in the pipeline, and you need only one opportunity to get a government job. Mainly SBI PO, RRB PO, ECGC PO, SBI clerk is also there in the pipeline, and RBI grade B also. So that's the beauty of 2021. After a very sad 2020, you have 2021 in which you are going to get a lots of exam in which you can appear and get a job which you dream for. Now coming back to SBI PO, see, the pattern of SBI PO is like this. Now how to score 125? See, you have to target 3 sections. First is descriptive, this 50 marks. Second is general economy or GF section, 40 marks, and English language 40 marks. Okay, so here you have to target at least 40 marks, and here you have to target at least 35 marks. Yes, I am saying correct. 40 plus 35 marks, you have to target at least 75 marks from these two sections. And in English, if your score is means your English is good, you can target 25 marks. But if your English is not good, so you will have to compensate that particular number from DI and reasoning. So from here you can easily get around 100 marks. Okay, 100 marks from these three sections. Now how to get 100 marks, I will also share with all of you small tips and tricks how to do that. Okay, because that's doable. Last year also around 50 students from Lit Mode got this score, so they were easily able to go to GDPI section, and after going to GDPI they easily cleared the SBI PO. Now DI and reasoning, these sections will be very high level, so there is no guarantee that you are going to score 30 marks in each section or 20 marks in each section also. That's why you have to scale more marks. You have to be more dependent on these 3 sections. Okay, those guys who have earlier appeared for SBI PO men's would be understanding what I'm trying to convey, but those who are first timer, if you are at age 21 or you are at age 22, you need to be more sincere, because you have the opportunity to get the job in minimum time. But those who are at age 29 or age 30, this video is very critical for you, because this is now or never. Okay, you have very less opportunities left. So let's move to scorecard. From here I want to convey some message. So yes, you can see this guy scored around 124 marks in SBI PO men's, and the cutoff was 104 last year. Before that it was 99, and you can see this mark is out of 250. 250 means 200 from men's and plus 50 of descriptive and letter and essay descriptive part. Now in GTPI this guy scored 45, but you can see in men's only the score was means a very considerable 20 marks difference. Okay, so this 20 marks difference is huge to create an impact, and that impact you can see here, 59 overall score, and the cutoff for general was 54. So easily qualified the exam. Now this guy scored around 36 marks in GK, and similarly around 41 marks in descriptive, and in English also around 26-27, something like that. So you can see this guy repeated the same strategy what I'm trying to convey you in this video. Okay, so how to do that? Again, you would have given many mocks, and now it's not time to give too many mocks. You can give 2, 3, 4 mocks, not more than 5 mocks. You have not to give more than 5 mocks now. So just go through 3 things: GA, descriptive English, and quant and reasoning practice and basic concept revision. Okay, so for GA we have our light PDF, video and MCQ format, which you can subscribe and easily get the minimum 35 marks in the SBI PO exam. You can go to the description, check the link. If you don't trust me, you can go to the review section also of our page and you can check the reviews. Apart from that, for descriptive English, we have a YouTube playlist which is totally free, so you can watch that playlist and learn how to write essay and letter effectively, so that you get at least 80% marks in the descriptive writing. When you will go for descriptive English, and you will also get some benefit in English section. For quant reasoning, just revise basic concept, work on mental calculation and practice. Don't take too much stress, but yes, take a stress of GK and descriptive English, because these two sections can easily fetch you around 75 marks. Okay, so 40 plus 35 marks you can easily fetch from descriptive plus GA. So you have to focus here. Now give not more than 5 mocks, understand that, because giving one mock will easily eat up your 4 to 5 hours. Okay, and you are not going to get more than 200 hours in next 10 days to study. So if you will spend around 25% time just giving mock, analyzing that, and if you perform bad in the mock, then you will feel frustrated. So don't do that mistake. Okay, and this is the content category and the compilation of the last few men's exam by Litmode team. So this much content you will get, and current affairs, banking awareness, financial awareness, static banking awareness, financial awareness and static GK, everything you will get. And yes, the weightage you can see from here, like in the last men's, like SBI clerk men's, RBI assistant men's, PFRDA, NHB, IBPS, SO exams like those. This is the analysis of last 5-6 men's. So yeah, nowadays the reaction after giving the men's paper is like this, you can see. And this is a review by an aspirant who appeared for SBI clerk men's few months back, 2-3 months back. Okay, so he is scoring 40 plus in GK section out of 50, and he has also got the final job. So congratulations to him. And 80% you can see, 80% he has scored easily, but SBI didn't disclose the sectional marks. But yes, he attempted around 48 questions and 2 were wrong. So I think he would have got 43, 44, something like that. So 80-90% marks. Same thing you can repeat into SBI PO as well. Don't think twice, just go to the description link, check the link, subscribe it, and go to this website also. You can check the courses section. If you have any doubt, you can also mail us at hi@litmode.in. And last year around 700 plus bank selection, we help students to get around 700 plus bank selection in 2019. In 2020 there was no more too many exams were not there in 2020. So join the lit movement, get a job in minimum time, leverage your time. That's our motto. Moving forward, here is another scorecard of a successful candidate. He got around 29 marks in GK, you can see here. And he have also written here the positive review. So the reviews are extremely positive, and no need to think twice. And one more thing, the GK subscription will be for 500 students only, 500 first students. Why? Because we want only serious students. Okay, we don't want the trash crowd. So this offer is only for 500 first students, and the monthly price is 100 rupees only. So the monthly price is 100 rupees only each month. So the price is also affordable, and this course will be valid for 1 year. So you can easily go for many men's exam like SBI, IBPS, RRBPO, ECGC, NPS, and so on. So don't think twice, check out the reviews and go for it. Now you can also see few more feedbacks. This is from Uday, like he got the selection in UCO Bank also, then SBI clerk, now appearing for SBI PO. And here is a guy who has scored 32.5 marks in SBI PO English but got only 3 marks in GA. Now he is also subscribing us for GA selection this year. You can also WhatsApp at this number if you need more detail. Okay, so you can WhatsApp us on this number as well. You can get the number from here. 1 second. Okay, so that's the course description. English descriptive course is also going on, so you can check out the courses. This is the course I'm talking about, and you will also get some discount. It's on discount as of right now. And RBI grade B full course is also going on, the comprehensive course. You will get everything in the RBI grade B course as well. So check out the reviews, just go for it, okay? And don't think twice, because what we want is your selection. Your selection matters the most, nothing else. Everything is secondary. What matters is your selection. So don't think that you have less time, to prepare, everybody else is preparing. No, everybody have same time. So you are at right platform. You can go for the GA, descriptive, everything, and crack the exam in the minimum time. Any doubt, mail us at the rate hi@litmore.in and check description for details. All the details are there. So that's basically for leveraging your time. So thank you for watching the video, and God bless you all. Good luck for the exam.